Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will discuss a different types of thermometer. The first one is clinical thermometer. It is made up of a glass tube with a fine minute capillary tube inside. At the one end of the clinical thermometer has a bulb which is filled with the mercury inside. And there is a constriction. This is a constriction or kink used in the clinical thermometer. It prevents the mercury flowing back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out from the patient mouth. In the clinical thermometer, there are two scales, Fahrenheit and Celsius scales are used. One side is marked with Fahrenheit scale and another side is marked with Celsius scale. A Celsius scale is marked from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius and the Fahrenheit scale is marked from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. The next type of thermometer is laboratory thermometer. The laboratory thermometer are used to measure the temperature of liquids in the laboratory. The laboratory thermometer is made up of a glass tube with a bulb at the one end. The bulb has a mercury inside. There is no kink in the laboratory thermometer to prevent the mercury flowing back into the bulb. The laboratory thermometer measures the temperature of minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. We can measure the temperatures while keeping the thermometer in liquid. Now let us learn some precaution to be followed while using the clinical thermometer. We should wash the thermometer before and after use, and we should shake the thermometer to bring the level of mercury down, and then keep the mercury level straight and handle the thermometer with a proper care, and should not hit the thermometer against a hot object and do not place it in the hot flame and the hot sun. And in the laboratory thermometer, while taking the measurement, we should not shake the thermometer. So these are the some important precautions methods we should follow while using the clinical and laboratory thermometer. Students, next we are going to study about the digital thermometer. Digital thermometers nowadays are available which do not use the mercury. Instead of mercury, the digital thermometer has a sensor which can measure the heat coming out from the body. The digital thermometer is also used to measure the temperature of the body. Students, the digital thermometer is very safe than the mercury is used in the thermometer. Mercury is a toxic substance and it is very difficult to dispose it. So digital thermometer is very safe. Now we will learn the differences between clinical and laboratory thermometer. The clinical thermometer is marked from 35 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius or from 94 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. But the laboratory thermometer is marked from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. In the clinical thermometer, mercury does not fall because there is a kink. But in the laboratory thermometer, the mercury level falls. Next, in the clinical thermometer, the temperature can be read after removing the thermometer from the mouth. So we can measure the temperature after removing from the mouth. But in the laboratory thermometer, the temperature can be read while keeping the thermometer in the liquid itself. After taking the reading to bring down the mercury level, we can shake the clinical thermometer. But no need to shake the laboratory thermometer to bring down the mercury level. Next, clinical thermometer is used to measure body temperature. Laboratory thermometer used to measure the temperature of liquids in the laboratory. These are the differences between clinical and laboratory thermometer.